Hello, this is Kathy Lee Crafting with Kathy Lee. Thank you for stopping into my YouTube channel. I am here to show you the process of finishing my folio I made with the Spring Showers collection from Happy Stationery. I've got all my tags and such fussy cut. I've got the folio pretty much made. I did do a flip through of the kit a few days ago, and I just fussy cut these while I watched TV and stuff, so I did not record it. And now I'm going to stuff these into the folio. So let's take a look. Again, this is a Be Happy Stationery Design Team project. This is a paid promotion because I do get the kits for free. I don't have to pay for the kits. I do print them out myself at home, which is wonderful. So let's take a look at the folio. Just going to look through real quick, and then I'll tell you a little bit about it. This is one of the cardstock pages, or one of the pages I printed on cardstock, and then I cut images out from other pages and layered them. Cute, cute, cute. And I cut, this is one image off of one page. The bird was on another page. Just really pretty. I just double layered. I used there were a couple of sheets of just sentences, not really sentences because there were no punctuation on them, but different things about rain and spring showers, and I used those on a couple of the pages. And then this is all about pockets. The back does not have a pocket. This does not have a pocket, but when you open it up, that's where all the pockets are. And I have a whole bunch of stuff that I made, that I printed. I have a little envelope, and I just put a couple of the sticker images that I printed on sticker paper, and we're just going to stick these in here. I may add more to this later, and that's going to go in one of the pockets. I want this to go in a short pocket because it'll get lost otherwise, so I'm probably going to stick it like that in that. Maybe I'll stick it like this. Like this in one of the shorter pockets. This one might actually be shorter. No, I'm going to stick it right there in that one. And I want some of these taller ones. Must be some of the taller ones for the bottom pockets, or that one. I don't want a bird in that one. I want that one and that one. A bird could go in here. And some of these I printed on double-sided. Some of the other ones I added to cardstock. And I'm just tucking them in wherever with not a lot of rhyme or reason, except that I don't want them to stick off the top here, so that's going to have to be one of the shorter ones up there. Still too big. That one's probably just right. I'm not putting any ribbon or buttons on these because I don't want them to get too bulky. I think I'll put this one in here because it's a little bit bigger. I'll stick this one maybe in there with that one. Pop that little baby in there maybe. This one over here. Got these fun circles. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those. Oh, and on right here, I made a little punch out so we could stick a journaling card in here. Stick that in there. I could also stick other stuff in there. This one's like a half tag because I printed it off the page, but I'm still going to put it in right here with this one maybe. And it's just kind of fun to stuff these. Put this one down in there. Put this one in here. They're just going to be full of tags. I also have these that I printed on sticker sheets. I'm just going to tuck those in. I was going to use them somewhere, but I decided not to. So I'm just going to put those stickers in there. That's an extra little treat that somebody can have. You can have some stickers ready to go. I'm just tucking these in wherever. Just for fun. It's going to be a fully stuffed. I've got this other little envelope I need to stuff, and I'll probably put some of these medallions in here. And I'm just going to shove the rest of it. Now I'll put some of the stamps in the other one. Where did I put him? I'll put a few more things in this one so I don't fill that one completely. Put some other stuff in there. There we go. And the last one in here, I could go ahead and put these in there too. All the fun little spring shower sayings. Okay, now I'll tuck that. Where did I have this one? I can't remember where I put this one. Well, we're going to put it in here. Isn't that silly? Okay, and then I'll put this one down in here then. Maybe between these two. And then this little guy I want peeking out. So I'm going to move this one up here. And I want this little guy peeking out. So I'm going to stick him like right there. So see how simple that is? I filled all the pockets with, I don't even know how many tags there are. And it's got that little hidey hole there. And this is the Spring Showers collection from Be Happy Stationery. It's a wonderful online shop. The description will be, or the Ko-fi address for Be Happy Stationery will be in the description, along with my other social media channels. Please like, share, subscribe, and go check out the other Be Happy Stationery videos. Her YouTube channel is Be Happy Stationery, so you can find all the wonderful stuff that she does with her collections. So there you have it, my fun little spring folio. I'm really in love with this one, and I love the whimsy of all of her designs. I love the way she takes the images and combines them to make them into something just magical and fun. So thank you for stopping by my channel. This is Kathi Lee, Crafting with Kathi Lee. I hope you have a great last week of April. Wow, time does fly. Thanks for stopping by. Come again soon. Happy crafting.